Hey guys, it's Jeff from Kiss the Fish. Let's go catch some fish. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so we're coming up on sunset right now, and there's a thunderstorm rolling in, and I know there's one behind that. So I'm not sure how much recording we're going to get today. Oh! Oh, we got him! Oh, I was ripping it back too. Oh, yeah! Holy moly! I've been going slow all night. I just sped it up. We're on the 80. All right, and a nice fish in there. Probably a good 2.5, 3 pounds. All right. You're pretty well hooked too. All right, guys. All right. A nice little fish we got here. I'm gonna say, all right, you wanna guess? 2 3/4, and I just heard a real big bass out there too. That's pretty nice. See how long you are. They're pretty long. Alright. Ready? That's 20 inches. Alright. Get a quick picture. Alright guys, let's kiss that fish and get her on her way. Whoop. Bye-bye. See ya. That was on this guy right here. Put a link down below. This is Spro 80. Oh, I got one. This one's better. Oh, stay down, you. This one feels real good, actually. Oh, this is a really good fish. Oh, get in the net. In the net. Oh. Oh, don't lose the net. Oh. Oh, sweet mama. This one feels bigger. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Where are my pliers? Okay. Oh, I gotta get that other net. Oh, maybe. This is a little shorter. Definitely fatter. Look at that. Look at that fish. Oh, this one feels like it's got a little more life in it. Alright, what do we got? 3.24. 3.26. Alright, 3 1/4. Cool. And what do we got for you want to tape? Alright. That one's 19.5. I'll tell you what though, this one's definitely fatter. Oh. Alright, let's get that fish a kiss and get you on out of here. See you later, dude. Oh, another one that did it. Oh, that was nuts. Oh, that was only 2 casts after the first one there. You know what's funny, guys, is I was thinking about going home not 15 minutes ago. Hadn't had any luck all night on anything. But man, it's picking up. Oh, in case anybody didn't realize I acquired a passenger. So a lone stranger wandering in the woods. My brother. 3X. 4.
Sorry.
It's alright, I wear glasses. Oh, hang on, we're tied together. Oh, dude, I got a fish on. I can't. I'm tying it into you. Watch out, my line don't go tight on you and you don't get hooked, because there is a fish on there, I think.
No, I got. That's impossible.
It's alright. Watch out you don't get hooked. I see it tightening up and...
Get inside my eyelid.
We good? I still got the fish! Oh, that was great. This kipper was on there like, yo, let me go. Well, kiss that fish, I think. Bye.